Starting position Tribhanga to the right side. Wrist of right hand is raised to chin. Left hand below right elbow. Position of wrists Sukachanchu. Eyes Suchi pointed to the right front corner. The movement starts with a beat of left foot. Right foot moves up in the position Ullolita. Breast moves to the right. Eyes pointed to the right front corner. On beat 2, right foot stands on the heel in the position Bilagnaparsni paada. Beat 3 is done with right foot, after which left foot detaches from the ground and raises up in the position Lolita. On beat 4, left leg moves into position Tribhanga paada to the left. Arms in the process of steps do not change. All the same is done on the left side.
Karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te de na te na karatakadhina kete ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te de na te na karatakadhina kete ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te de na te na karatakadhina kete ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te ta e te na karatakate te de na te na